Ever wondered what AI or artificial intelligence really is? Let's dive into the intriguing world of this technological marvel that is transforming our lives in ways we never imagined. Artificial intelligence is not just a fancy term, it is a reality that is shaping the world around us. It's a form of intelligence, much like our own, but demonstrated by machines. Yes, you heard it right. Machines that can think, learn, and even make decisions. But of course, within a certain limit. AI is a rapidly growing field, expanding its horizons every day, and the potential it holds is enormous. It's like a vast ocean, constantly ebbing and flowing, and we've only just dipped our toes in. From self-driving cars to voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is everywhere, silently revolutionizing our daily lives. Now let's break it down a bit further. AI is essentially of two types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, like recommending a song on Spotify or predicting the weather. It's like a specialist doctor who is an expert in one particular field. On the other hand, general AI can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. It's like a general practitioner who has a broad understanding of many areas. However, it's important to note that general AI is still a concept, an idea that exists in research papers and sci-fi movies, but not in reality, at least not yet. So whether it's predicting your next online purchase or helping a spacecraft navigate the cosmos, AI is everywhere, weaving its magic in ways we can't even begin to comprehend. So, in simple terms, AI is a machine's capability to mimic human intelligence, but how does it do that? Well, that's a fascinating story, and we'll unfold it in our next scene. How can a machine learn and think like us, you might ask? Well, it's all about the mechanics of artificial intelligence, or AI. It's like the engine under the hood of a car, the heart and brain of the machine. At the core of AI are three key concepts: machine learning, neural networks, and algorithms. Let's break them down. First up, machine learning. This is the process that gives a machine the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a child to recognize a cat. You show them a picture of a cat, and you tell them, this is a cat. You do this repeatedly with different pictures of cats, and eventually, they can identify a cat on their own. That's machine learning in a nutshell. Next, we have neural networks. This concept mimics the human brain's own network of neurons. In a neural network, there are layers of interconnected nodes, each processing a small piece of information. Just like neurons in our brain, these nodes pass on information to each other. And through this process, the machine can make sense of complex patterns and data. Lastly, algorithms. These are the set of rules that a machine follows to solve a problem or make a decision. It's like a recipe. Follow the steps in the right order, and you'll get a delicious cake. In the case of AI, you'll get a solution or a decision. All these components work together to give a machine the ability to learn. Machine learning allows the machine to learn from experience. Neural networks enable it to process complex information, and algorithms guide its decision-making process. So it's not magic, it's mechanics. It's the clever use of machine learning, neural networks, and algorithms that enable a machine to mimic human thinking and learning. With these tools, AI can learn and adapt, but what exactly can it learn? That's a question we'll dive into in the next scene. What are some real-world examples of AI learning and adapting? Well, let's talk about some familiar faces, or should I say, voices. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa have become an integral part of our daily lives. They set our alarms, play our favorite music, and even tell us jokes when we ask. But beneath their friendly voices, there's an intricate web of AI algorithms working tirelessly to understand and respond to our requests. Each interaction we have with these assistants is a learning opportunity for them. As we converse, they collect data about our speech patterns, preferences, and common requests. This data then feeds into their machine learning models, allowing them to predict and respond to our future requests more accurately. It's an ongoing cycle of learning and adapting, making these virtual assistants more helpful and intuitive with each interaction. But AI doesn't stop at our doorstep. It's also hard at work when we're relaxing and watching Netflix or shopping on Amazon. Both platforms use AI-driven recommendation algorithms to personalize our experience. On Netflix, for instance, the AI tracks the shows we watch, the genres we prefer, and even the time we spend on each episode. It then uses this data to recommend other shows and movies we might enjoy. The more we watch, the more it learns, and the better its recommendations become. Amazon follows a similar approach. It observes our browsing and purchasing habits, using this data to suggest products we might be interested in. Ever wondered why that book you were thinking about magically appears in your recommended list? That's Amazon's AI at work, learning from your behavior to make your shopping experience more personalized and efficient. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg, so what's next for AI? Well, the possibilities are endless. As we continue to interact with these AI systems, they'll keep learning, improving, and becoming even more integrated into our daily lives. What could the future hold for AI? In the next few decades, the AI landscape will continue to evolve at an unprecedented rate. We're on the cusp of a new era where AI capabilities could exceed our wildest expectations. One of the most significant advancements we can expect is in machine learning. By improving machine learning algorithms will enable AI to learn and adapt in real time. Imagine a world where AI can predict traffic patterns, recommend personalized health plans, or even advise on complex business strategies. As we move forward, AI will become more and more integrated into our daily lives. From smart homes that adjust lighting and temperature based on your preferences, to virtual assistants that anticipate your needs, the possibilities are truly limitless. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more prevalent, we need to consider the ethical implications. Who's responsible if an AI makes a mistake? How do we ensure AI doesn't infringe upon our privacy? These are questions we need to answer as we shape the future of AI. It's not just about creating smarter machines, but also about establishing guidelines to ensure their responsible use. And let's not forget about the potential job displacement. While AI can automate routine tasks, it could also lead to job losses. However, it's also predicted that AI will create new types of jobs, ones we can't even imagine yet. Balancing these aspects will be a significant challenge for societies globally. Lastly, we must consider the digital divide. As AI becomes more advanced, there's a risk of widening the gap between those who have access to this technology and those who don't. It's essential to ensure that the benefits of AI are accessible to all, not just a privileged few. So, what's the takeaway? AI's potential is vast, but so are its challenges. It's a Pandora's box that we've opened, and now it's up to us to navigate this new world wisely. The future of AI is both exciting and challenging, and it's up to us to navigate it responsibly. Let's revisit what we've learned about AI today. We've embarked on a journey of discovery, unveiling the enigmatic and captivating world of artificial intelligence. We've peeled back the layers, exploring the very essence of what AI is, and how it's subtly yet profoundly transforming our world. In its most basic form, we've seen how AI is the capability of a machine to imitate intelligent human behavior. It's not just about algorithms and codes, but the ability of these systems to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. We delved into the mechanics of AI, understanding the intricate processes that make it possible. We saw how machine learning, a subset of AI, provides systems the ability to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. We learned about neural networks and how they mimic the human brain's own neural networks to recognize patterns and make decisions. We've also seen AI in action in places we might not have expected. From diagnosing diseases in healthcare to powering recommendation engines in our favorite streaming services, to enhancing security systems, AI is everywhere. It's not a distant concept but a present reality, subtly enhancing our daily lives. And the future, well, it's as exciting as it is unpredictable. We've talked about autonomous vehicles, AI in space exploration, and even the potential of AI in creating more sustainable solutions for our planet. The possibilities seem almost limitless. Yet with these possibilities come responsibilities. As we harness the power of AI, we must also grapple with its ethical implications. Issues like data privacy, job displacement, and the potential for misuse are all part of the AI conversation, and it's crucial that we address them head-on. Understanding AI is the first step towards using it effectively and ethically. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and who knows what we might discover next.